Next-generation smart meter operations demand surgical precision. The TerraGo Software Platform is the connective tissue. Our no-code engine unifies multi-vendor smart grid devices into one single pane of glass. High-density device networks and edge computing meters require flawless installation and real-time coordination across customers, field crews, and back-office systems. Automated guided workflows with built-in quality control accelerates AMI rollouts. TerraGo turns meter maintenance into a real-time operation, connecting field events instantly across crews, contractors, and your operations command center. The results: fewer truck rolls, improved field data accuracy, and seamless integration with your most critical systems. This includes MDMS, ADMS, head-end, asset management, and virtually any other back-office system. It's time to upgrade your AMI and smart grid operations. Scan this QR code to join our upcoming webinar or click the link in the description to learn more.